Techno Pova 5 Pro 5G smartphone. It is available in dark illusion and silver fantasy color variants. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 256GB storage or 8GB RAM, 128GB storage for fast performance. It supports 10 5G bands. Experience vibrant visuals with its 6.78 inches FHD Plus dot-in display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate for truly brilliant vision. Designed with multicolored backlit ARC interface which can be customized with new multicolor light effect for notifications, calls, gaming, music and others. Now let us look at its 50-megapixel dual rear camera and 16-megapixel selfie camera designed to capture your memories. It is powered by Dimensity 6080 highly efficient 6nm 5G processor for intense gaming with Hyper Engine 3.0 light game engine and Panther game engine 3.0 and NFC for quick contactless operations. Experience best battery life with 5000 mAh battery powered by 68 watts ultra-fast charging and 10 watts reverse charging. The box includes smartphone, 68 watts power adapter, Type-C cable, TPU cover and SIM ejector tool.